three dimensional, obviously, means and property. Sorry. And by essential property, is the property which cannot be separated from a thing without that thing losing its identity. And general method to arrive at an essential property of a thing is an abstraction. For example, my hair, they are not my essential property because I go to a barber and cuts my hair, he shortens them, neatens them. Obviously, I'm not saying that this is an easy matter, but in a simplistic term, it doesn't change who I am. It's very hard to really say what is the essence of human beings. You have to sort of in your mind abstract everything which you can abstract without making that thing something else, or that thing not remaining the thing it is. So in a sense, it's an abstract concept, but a useful concept. And it's not that an easy thing to actually find what is an essential property of something.